Welcome to this comprehensive guide on step-by-step Monday.com Pulses. Monday.com is a work operating system that allows teams to manage their work and automate processes. Pulses are the core building blocks of Monday.com and are used to create custom workflows. To get started with Pulses, first, you need to understand what a pulse is. A pulse is essentially an item or a task that is part of a board. Boards are used to organize pulses and track progress. Each pulse can have multiple columns that contain different types of information such as text, dates, and numbers. To create a pulse, navigate to your board and click on the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a new pulse and allow you to add columns and information. You can add columns by clicking on the plus sign at the top of the pulse and selecting the type of column you want to add. One of the key concepts in Monday.com is the use of automations. Automations allow you to automate repetitive tasks and workflows. To create an automation, navigate to the Automations section of your board and click on the plus sign. This will open a new automation and allow you to set up a trigger and an action. Triggers are events that happen in your board, such as when a new pulse is created or when a column is updated. Actions are the tasks that are performed when a trigger happens, such as sending an email or creating a new pulse. By combining triggers and actions, you can create powerful automations that streamline your workflows. Best practices for using pulses include keeping your pulses organized by using clear and descriptive names, and using columns to track relevant information. You should also use automations to streamline your workflows and reduce manual labor. In practical terms, pulses can be used to manage a wide range of workflows, from simple task management to complex project management. For example, you can use pulses to track sales leads, manage customer support tickets, or plan and track marketing campaigns. In conclusion, pulses are a powerful tool in Monday.com that allow teams to manage their work and automate processes. By understanding how to create and use pulses, you can streamline your workflows and improve productivity. Remember to keep your pulses organized. Use automations to reduce manual labor, and use columns to track relevant information. With these best practices and a clear understanding of pulses, you can get the most out of Monday.com and take your team's productivity to the next level.